How to make a cool and good portfolio design on Canva app in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a great portfolio with Canva app. So first thing you have to do, go to Canva like this and it will take you to this page. Now go here and click on this plus and now you should search for the portfolio here, and let's say portfolio, online portfolio. Now you have many options. You have the online portfolio, the portfolio website, and let's choose the first one like this and wait a few seconds until it take you to this page where you can find portfolio templates. Now choose any of these, for example this one. I'm gonna click on, sorry, I'm not gonna click here. Choose this one for example and wait a few seconds and click 2 times on the text and change it as you want. For example Jacob, and click on the photo and click replace. After you click replace, you can replace it fast and easy. After you finish, click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe.